Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access Settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains various security options for your account. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification option. Tap on it, then select Enable to start the setup process. Step 5. Set up a password. Follow the prompts to create a password that will be required in addition to your regular login code. You may also be asked to provide a recovery email address for account recovery purposes. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Telegram account, enhancing its security. Always remember to keep your password and recovery email secure.